Hi, I'm Nasser from Cairo, Egypt. I'm here for hair transplantation. I've got information about Eva Esthetic clinics through the internet. I contacted them, and in fact, they were very responsive. They responded quickly and professionally. After the agreement, they received me at the airport and picked me from the airport to the hotel, a nice one. Gave me some instructions before the operation. Did some investigations, medical investigations, and then introduced me to the doctor, who was very nice person. The operation itself was simple. I was a little bit worried in the beginning. Then gradually I got used to the situation. The operation took around 7 hours, with 1 or 2 breaks included. After the operation, I was astonished about my shape, about my new shape, in fact. I feel satisfied, but I'm still waiting for the end result, which I hope, inshallah, will be fantastic. I want to thank everybody here. They were very good friends. They are all very friendly. I'm feeling that I'm between friends, not clinic staff. Thanks to everybody, and I hope I'll meet each and every one of them in the best situation, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you.